Hi, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to take a look at how we can share our point cloud data with our customer. We have several options now, some that we didn't have a couple of years ago, and I wanted to just take a quick second and show everybody some of the different ways that we can see the same information and some of the new digital twin options that I think will be a really big help for you guys in your project management. So starting off, we're looking at point cloud data here. And in our point cloud data, we've got options of how we're going to look at it. We're using scene software from FARO in this. And we've got the project in 3D, the overall project you're uploading. We've got options of opening up particular scans in 2D and 3D. But if we have a customer who's requesting to see our point cloud data or have our point cloud data, this is not going to be our best option to share it. Number one, we don't need them to actually buy the software. If they want to use the Scene LT or the free version, they can. But again, this is software that they would need a little training on how to use to be effective. And they're not going to need all the different functions that are built into the Scene software. So it's just really not the best option to show them the basics about their projects. So getting rid of that, we can take a quick look at what's called FARO WebShare. FARO WebShare, in comparison to the new digital twin platforms, let's look at some of the advantages and disadvantages. So in case you haven't seen FARO WebShare, this is your opening page. This is an overview of the scan project. What you're seeing is basically an ortho photo that was created from the scan data. This is not obviously a site plan. What we see here are the different scan locations. If we click on them, we have options to either just look at the properties, we can look at the panorama or the bubble view style photograph, or we can see the 3D point cloud. So looking at the particular location in what's called a panorama or bubble view, or quick view if you're used to using the FARO Scene software, we can see 360 degrees from this particular location because this is where the scan was taken. We can jump to another scan location being, say, let's just put that at 50 or 60 feet. All right. If we want to look at this same location in the point cloud version, we open it here. Again, we can do measuring through the point cloud. We can do measuring in the panorama view. But again, this is a fairly rudimentary representation of the point cloud. You're limited in that you can't grab pieces and in the 3D point cloud and pull them out, look at them from different angles. It's just from this site location. And, I guess it's just the ability to see that the point cloud is there. Now, by contrast, let's look at a digital twin platform. This digital twin platform we work with Cupix, is something that is an open source platform. So that means you can upload different types of data to the platform. The first thing that we see right off the bat is we actually have a site plan. So what we're going to show you is the different abilities to go and jump around inside of this work site and not be limited to the scan locations. So as you can see, we are looking at point cloud data, but at the same time, look at all the locations in these blue circles that we can go to look at different areas of the site. That's because those are not the locations of the actual laser scanner when the scan was performed. These are sites that were panorama photos taken by a 360 camera system, in this case a Theta Z1, which we have available for purchase or rent. With a quick flip here on the toggle, we can look at the actual panorama 360 view. It's exactly like what we saw in the WebShare, except that we have many, many more to choose from. We can go virtually throughout this entire room by either clicking forward in the picture or by choosing over here on the actual site plan. And we can jump into the point cloud by just simply going up to our options and opening the point cloud again. Now you can see that we've got a tremendous number of options of locations to look at the point cloud from. This is very different than what we're used to when dealing strictly with point cloud data, strictly with WebShare, or really any of the sharing programs that are available with laser scanning. What this platform is able to do is you are uploading the point cloud data. It is now centering that point cloud data with the site plan. And after the point cloud data is available, you can walk the site. In this case, we used a helmet or hard hat mounted camera. And by identifying where you are on the site plan when you begin, hit the video record mode, walk through the site, and about every second, you're going to get one of these panoramic photographs. The digital twin platform then will combine with the site plan and with the point cloud, enabling you to look at that point cloud from any of the positions that the photographs were captured with the 360 camera. If you're curious of where the actual photographs are in this view, then you can open it with these bubbles, and it allows you to, gives you another way that you can choose where you want to go in the actual building here. Now you can see that some of the views are very high up in the ceiling. This is not from the helmet cam. This is actually performed when the helmet cam walk is finished. And in this case, the owner wanted to have some photos done at a higher elevation showing some of whether it's the piping, the HVAC, the sprinkler systems. And that's just taking the camera, affixing it to the 12-foot pole that we have available with the kit. And you just use a multi-shot version of the capture. And at the end of the day, you're simply uploading all this data to the website. All the post-processing is done for you. And within 24 hours, your project management team is able to see exactly what we're looking at here. So we are either looking at an overview map of a simple ortho photo of some scan data, jump from only scan location to scan location, or we're able to look at a combination of different things from 360 camera photo to point clouds to the different positions we can see this from. And now, before I get too far into all the different things this digital twin platform can do, one more thing before we go. If your job is to capture the site with the laser scan, turn that site into a BIM model and then expand the site with your BIM model, make changes, anything like that, and then follow that work site through the life cycle of the construction project, ensuring that the general contractors are doing the correct work at the correct time. You can actually send someone out to the job site on a daily, weekly, monthly basis and continue to capture the helmet cam 360-degree photos and then compare them direct side by side in stereo view, ensuring that the project is being done correctly. So you're catching mistakes that are made early on and preventing them from becoming big mistakes later on. You have unlimited number of BIM models that can be uploaded, and they do interact with the photos that you see on the left. So if we want to see that, let's just say one of the pipes here is the correct pipe and put in the correct location, we simply highlight it, hit transport, and as you can see, it now appears in the photograph, so you can see if it was in the correct place, if it's the correct pipe. There's just a tremendous number of things that you can do to ensure that the general contractor's work is being done as you've ordered it. If you've got changes that are being made, you can embed them into the photograph there and then embed it into the 2D and to the 3D, and documents, photographs, all can be embedded, sent directly to the general contractor. The changes can be made, and then the next time someone walks the site, you can ensure that the changes are made in a timely fashion and they are correct. If this looks like something that might be of interest to you to help your company, your project management team, please let us know. Our number here is 800-955-3960. You can email us directly at info@atlanticlaserscanning.com, our website, atlanticlaserscanning.com. My name is Nick, and if we can help with a Zoom call or some more detailed video work to send you so your team can review it, we'd be glad to do it. Please let us know if we can help, and have a great day.